Hi everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. And I will be opening a thredup fun box. And it's from Phoenix, Arizona. I had it like a few days ago, but didn't have a chance to open it. The date was September 16th, and then it was $28 plus shipping. Here we go, the preview. Doesn't look great. I got a belt. Time and True. It's $10. This is yellow. Hope everyone is having a great day. I'm gonna put the box down. Ew, where's Lily? I have a bra. And usually the bra doesn't sell for me. $48. Who is this? Never heard of this. It's gonna be sitting in my Poshmark closet. And you guys don't know me, I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. And this is the size. $40H. Lily, you could have it. And then this one is a necklace. Honey cat. It's the back part. Never think this is just a fashion jewelry, I believe. Next one, Michael Kors sunglasses. Looks yellow. See that? It's orange right there. And then this face mask. Look at that. Algina Kim. Brand new. It's leopard. And then this one looks like is it a laptop case or what? See the inside? It has a zipper right here. It feels like they made it themselves or something. And a zipper all the way. It's pretty cool. And then this lovely scarf. They always put scarf in the fun box. And this is what it says. to say 100% viscose. It looks like it's a Coach scarf, but it doesn't have any makers on them. And then we have a pajama. This is the pants. Silk. Rachel Purcell. Never heard of that. New on card. On tag. It's the bottom part. And here go their top. Extra small. Anthropology bowl. It says $18. If you guys see anything you guys are interested, feel free to email me and I will give you a price from there. Who is this one? Arizona, your box is never a great box. This one, I don't know who that is. I was hoping to get Kendra Scott. This is just a bangle from Nordstrom. And then the last and final is the socks. And that's it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.